Postnuptial agreements, also known as marital agreements, are entered into by ongoing spouses to govern rights and obligations in the event of a future divorce or death. They've generally met more skepticism than prenuptial agreements entered into prior to marriage and separation agreements entered into when couples have already decided to split. In Ansin versus Craven-Ansin, we explore the reason for the increased skepticism and its impact on enforceability. After 18 years of marriage, Kenneth Ansin and Cheryl Craven-Ansin separated. Kenneth later promised to recommit to the marriage if the couple executed a postnuptial agreement. Cheryl agreed. The couple retained separate counsel and engaged in vigorous negotiations, and both parties fully disclosed their financial assets. One asset was Kenneth's substantial interest in Florida real estate. Its exact value was speculative, but the disclosures listed an approximate value consistent with that ascribed by financial advisors. The final agreement stated that Cheryl disclaimed any interest in the marital assets, including the Florida real estate. In exchange, in the event of divorce, Kenneth was to pay Cheryl $5 million plus 30% of any appreciation on marital property since the agreement's execution. Recitals in the agreement attested to its voluntary execution and each party's waiver of Massachusetts default divorce laws. About 2 years after the agreement's execution, Kenneth filed for divorce and sought its enforcement. But Cheryl claimed the agreement wasn't enforceable because it was against public policy and unfair. The trial court enforced the agreement, and Cheryl appealed directly to the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court.